What's going on YouTube? It's Vinny here, and today I'm going to show you guys a quick fix on a 2006 Chevy Cobalt with a water leak on the passenger side floor. So to get into this, let's check out the water leak real quick. Alright, so if you guys have that water leak, it's going to be usually on the passenger side floor. It's coming from the heater core. There's a drain hose that goes through the firewall, and it's supposed to drip water down to the ground. But the drain hose is maybe only about 2 inches or so sticking out of the firewall on the engine side. And so what happens is when the water goes to drip out of that, it kind of like rolls around the bottom of the tube and then rolls back into the car, which is why a lot of times you'll get this water leak inside the passenger side on the floor. So just to show you guys how to fix that, you're going to look down here. All right, so as you guys can see right there, there's a red hose sticking out. I attached that red hose to the little drain hose that sticks through the firewall just to extend it. That's going to extend the little drain hose that comes to the firewall just a little bit further so it doesn't drip back into the car. I'll put a link in the description for the hose that you guys need, and I'll also be showing you guys some videos up on the screen of the measurements of the hose. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment and let me know if this helped you guys out. Thanks for watching.